Hey guys, this is a book review video. I am reviewing this awesome robotics projects for kids. This is not a book that I received for free in exchange for a review. This is one that I went out and bought myself because it just looked really fun and I'm into doing this kind of thing. So I'm doing this review simply because I want to. You look at the back of it, it shows they use easy or cheap material like popsicle sticks, but there's some pretty awesome projects in here, and the drawback that I have when it comes to trying to work all the projects in a book like this is just the sheer cost of the material that you need. So I'm working my way slowly through the book, but that's only because I'm only able to afford to buy material a little at a time. But a lot of it, like, it comes in batches. Like, I needed 2 of these for a project, but it came in a bag of 100 of them. So as you progress and you keep buying items, then you're going to eventually have what you need on hand for the projects that you want to do, if that makes sense. One thing that makes me feel silly, I'm a 41-year-old woman, and when I open the book and I see pictures of these little children doing the projects, it's so easy for them, then it makes me feel like, well, why am I doing something out of a children's book for one? And then when I have trouble with some of them, when I find them hard to do, honestly, it can make me feel pretty stupid, and I'm not a stupid person, but when it comes to some things, I am. This one, it just shows you how to build a simple circuit. I did that one in like literally 1 or 2 minutes. It was not hard at all, and I'll show you a picture of the finished product. And then this one, I'll show you a picture of my finished project of this one. At the time, I did not have the tape or the magnet to be able to like put it together, but I do now, and I actually have one magneted on a filing cabinet in my office right now. But here's the picture of what it looked like when I got it done. I love all the step-by-step instructions and pictures. And now I'm going to do one for you on camera. It's similar to that first one, but it's building a series circuit. So instead of just running one light, we're going to run 2 of them. And so I'm just going to, I think I have all the ingredients here that I need. Oh my gosh. Anyway, material. And so I'm going to do it and show you how easy it is. My battery things that I bought do not have a cover and an on-off switch. That's the only difference, I think, from what it says in the book. It might not work because one of my bulb receptacles is missing the screw, and I don't have a replacement. Alright, so we're going to connect a jumper wire, which I have here, from the positive terminal on one bulb receptacle and the negative terminal on the other one. Alright, this is the negative terminal on this one. I'm actually going to see if I can connect this without the screw. As long as it's touching the metal, it should work fine without having the screw there, is what I'm hoping. So with this, I just sort of crimped it over so it wouldn't fall out, and so that hopefully it's going to be maintaining contact with that metal. And now I need to connect it to this side on this one, so I'm going to need to use the screwdriver to loosen up that screw. Now I'm going to need to use the wire cutter to take some of this off so that I have some exposed wire. Now this is the negative side of this, and so I'm attaching the black. And the red one's going to wrap around this side, which is the positive terminal. And now, if I've done this right and I haven't messed it up, if the only thing that I think might mess it up is not having that screw on that end. But I'm going to put the batteries in first. And then they're just fainter because they're both sharing the same battery source. So yeah, not having that screw didn't make much of a difference. I don't think it's showing up very well on the camera, but there it is. They're both lit up. And now the next one in this book, I think I want, and I didn't even end up needing to use these things. Oh well. I bought them for nothing. Alright, the next one is to do kind of the same thing, but we're building a parallel unit, or parallel circuit. So I'm going to go ahead and take the bulbs out for now, and I'm going to take the batteries out too. Alright, this visually would have looked a lot better if I had used the same size jumper wires, but I didn't. So it looks a little funky. But I think what I have here is going to work. So this is what the book shows. And this is what I was able to do here. This little wire came loose, so I'm just holding it on there. But there, same thing. It's a parallel circuit. Pretty cool. Alright, the next one I'm not going to do right now, but it's very simple. It just uses a parallel circuit like we just made, but for the first time in this book, you're actually building a robot type thing. And this uses like a Chinese food takeout container and a metal box. And the light bulbs are eyes. And this is what it looks like at the end. I don't have the material to make that, but I'm going to. I'm going to make it, and when I do, it'll be in a video. But yeah, this is this book. It is by Bob, I don't know how to say the name, Katovich. And it has 20 projects in it that I can definitely attest to are easy for children. Because I can do it, so yeah, these are easy. And the materials are really not all that expensive, it's just you need a whole bunch of them. I'm excited to try my hand at that little R2-D2 clone knockoff there. But yeah, fun book. I've enjoyed it. Like I said, it was not given to me for free. I bought it, paid for it with my own money. And I'm excited to show you more projects that I do from this book down the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.